Sealy Serta and Beauty Rest. Half off Serta Eye Series and more. Save on select Tempur-Pedic sets. Plus, free delivery on everything above $599.99. Going on now only at Sleepy's, the mattress professionals. When you're hurt,
it's no secret. You call Signs and Kurt.
Everybody knows.
If you're hurt, you call 1-800-LAWYERS. Get the money you really deserve.
When you're hurt, call
1-800-LAWYERS.
Or go to youhavealawyer.com.
What's that number? Come on, everybody knows that.
1-800-LAWYERS.
When you're hurt, call Science and Kurt.
Everybody knows.
Everybody knows. We fight for our clients. Call 1-800-LAWYERS or visit youhavealawyer.com. If you have a phone or a computer, you have a lawyer. Call 1-800-LAWYERS. Coming up live on The View.
That was yesterday morning on The View. By the end of the day, it announced that both Sherri Shepherd and Jenny McCarthy were, quote, departing the show.
Yes, what do we think? They are changing things up a lot lately. Has the show run its course? It's Plugged In Time, and joining us is Funny or Die's Brian Sappy, and from Amp Radio LA, Chris Booker. Hi, guys.
How you doing?
Hello, man. Hello. Okay, so this came as really shocking news, at least to me. I thought that after Barbara left, they were only looking for her replacement, but they, in fact, had plans to replace the entire panel except Whoopi.
Yeah.
Was that surprising?
I think it's surprising that it came this late, honestly. Like,
Really?
I feel like I've never really gotten on board with Cher. Once she said the world was flat, I thought, like, well, this
That's
is
the reason to
trusted
watch.
news source
Come on,
now.
see, you got it all wrong. That's the reason to watch.
Yeah.
You got a woman that believes the world is flat, you're like, I'm settling in.
Well,
I'm staying right here.
Her view changes every episode. That's what
Well, but let me
Sherri.
say, I like Sherri. I consider Sherri a friend. And, you know, people did really like her funny
She
personality.
was funny, yeah. Jenny, on the other hand, I mean, that was someone who, from initially, was sort of like, this is a person who believes that children should get the mumps. Like, I mean, this is spreading all the wrong vaccination.
I like how she's backpedaled on that. I don't know if I ever said that. I'm like, no, I think
It's about storage lockers, which is like what we've always had. So, like, at least this is at least a little bit different.
I'm starting to wonder. I mean, I get it. Sex sells, and to have sex, you have to be naked. So is this just like clearing the way? Like, okay, we're just hoping to see something's going to jump off right away now on TV?
Maybe, but I feel like after a few seconds that wears off. I mean, there's like one or two people in the world I really want to see naked without knowing that. You know what I mean? Like, and I don't.
What?
I mean, for me, I feel like the only way I could do one of these shows is if I were like lying down or like I was walking like this like, the whole time.